All right, if you've got extra fat around your middle that won't budge, no matter how much you diet or exercise, well, there's a new solution, and our own Tammy Hernandez is checking it out for us.
There is a whole new way to get rid of unwanted body fat, and I'm with Dr. Douglas Key at Key Laser Institute, and we are in the middle of a Vanquish treatment session. So what is Vanquish?
You're not in the middle of a Vanquish treatment session, you're in the middle of the future, Tammy.
Really?
This is totally exciting. We're talking about global fat. We're talking about one treatment session Vanquish with targeted radio frequency energy, which is killing off fat cells, leaving the skin alone, leaving the muscle alone, and just killing off fat cells, getting rid of some of those fat cells that you just can't seem to shed and doing their job.
I like that. So I see that we are targeting Aaron's midsection. Is that what Vanquish is for, the stomach?
It can be stomach, it can be back. The future is going to be arms and legs. All of a sudden, we've got choices. 4 years ago, no choices except surgery, except true liposuction.
Right.
And then we have liposonics, and then we've got cool sculpting. These are great choices. It's not about just one approach.
The thermal imaging is something that you've been on our show to talk about before, and this is something that you have developed combining Vanquish and thermal imaging.
It lets us take a little bit more time with each treatment. So we may be getting 30, 40, even 50% more fat gone per treatment if we can go a little bit longer safely. So the customary time blocks are 30 minutes, we're going 45 minutes, taking this a little bit into the future. We can do that safely, though, with the thermal imaging monitoring.
So this allows you, instead of 4 to 6 treatments, combining Vanquish with your thermal imaging, you can have fewer treatments.
We think the future of this is going to be 3 to 4 sessions.
I like that.
But slightly longer sessions, and with patients that are comfortable and safe. And Aaron, how does this feel right now?
Feels like a warm blanket almost, even though nothing's touching my stomach.
What's next on the schedule? You've got a long, busy day today.
I've got to go back to work.
Okay.
Do this.
Hey, so getting rid of fat and then going back to work, I like that. I actually did see that Whoopi Goldberg tried this. She was in a clinical trial, and she was on The View talking about how wonderful she thought this was. So that's pretty good if Whoopi Goldberg's going to endorse a product.
Well, we know if Whoopi says so, it's got to be true.
It's got to be, right?
We're also going to take a look at some photos. This is about 2 inches was the average reduction in over 200 patients, 2 inches in some of 4 sessions. That's a big deal, but it's really about skinny jeans. It's about losing that fat and looking and feeling fantastic in skinny jeans.
Well, who doesn't want to look good in skinny jeans? That's a selling point right there. So if you want to lose that unwanted body fat and get in your skinny jeans, you need to come to Key Laser Institute and learn more about Vanquish. Dr. Key is on the cutting edge.
Wait a minute, the non-cutting edge. This is the future, my dear. We took a giant
Exactly. I love that.
Okay. The future.
So Dr. Key is on the non-cutting edge of all the latest technology to help you look and feel your best, and Vanquish is the latest technology that you need to find out about. Come to Key Laser Institute or give them a call. The number's on your screen. Thanks, Dr. Key.
Thank you, Tammy.
Thanks, Aaron.
Thank you, Aaron.
Back to you.
The new technologies are amazing, aren't they?
That's interesting.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.